Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to link ATO to my government account. So let's get started. First guys, log onto your account and my government and the link service section and select and link the service section. Select the link button. Next, the Australian Taxation's Office. Read and agree to the 8 terms and condition and provide details including your tax file number, name, data of birthday and address, and make sure the details match your required. If your details have changed, you will need to update your information, and you will be good to carefully and answer the question based to the document, and you will receive the message and take note the error code and follow the instruction or link more information and answer your question, and the account will successfully link it to ATO. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more content.